Sound the alarm, sound the alarm, sound the alarm. The New Year's resolution is back. And if you haven't set your resolution this year, I suggest you get on board before you get left behind. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Catrice, I don't know anybody who set a resolution this year. And if I'm being honest, I don't really know that many people who've set resolutions this year either. I think that the New Year's resolution keeps getting a bad rap. It keeps getting beat up. And I think I just rolled over one day and I was like, hey, this is important. I think we should all be forced to have to set resolutions. If you think about the resolution and typically what resolutions people set, they're usually set around health. They're usually set around wealth. They're usually set around education. They're usually set around passions or achieving something just out of the ordinary or fun or exciting. And for some reason, we've decided
we don't do resolutions because they don't work.
I'm here to tell you resolutions do work if the person setting the resolution will work too. The older we get, the more settled we get. We feel more secure with things. We're very comfortable. We are comfortable with the way that our lives are. And when we have to set a resolution, that means that we have to step outside of our comfort zone. But when you think about it, and the more and more I get older and see people, I realize that you get one life. You get one time to do this. You get one time to try the thing. You get one time to step outside of the box. And if you wait and wait and wait and wait, well, your time is gonna run out. And I'm like, oh, you ain't gonna have time out here running out on me. Like, I'm about to try all the things. I'm about to do all the things. And I'm truly, truly here to encourage you to try all the things and do all the things too. On the one hand, we got the pros. On the other hand, we have the cons. The pros, I feel, strongly outweigh the cons. First of all, your life. Second of all, you are worth it. You're worth more money. You're worth the education that you're seeking. You are worth the good time that you want to have. You are worth better confidence if that's what you're seeking. You are worth that relationship if that's what you're seeking. You are worth these things. So why wouldn't you cultivate a life of happiness because you're worth it, because you're passionate about it, because it excites you, because it'll bring you a better quality of life. On the con side, I get it. People rarely ever follow through with achieving their goals. And I think that the way that we can start to follow through with these goals is, one, we have to set the goal that brings us to a place of desiring. I desire to do this every day. I desire to have this lifestyle for me. I desire it because I'm worth it. I desire it because I want it. I desire it because I need it. Whatever it is, I have this desire that is built up in my soul. Not because I look around, I'm trying to be superficial with my goal, but because I literally have made the decision that, hey, I am a person, I am in complete control. I get a chance to do whatever it is I want to do. And therefore, I'm going to do it. I'm going to be the healthier version of me. I'm going to be the more wealthy version of me. I'm going to be the more educated version of me. I'm going to be the happier version of me. I'm going to be the more confident version of me. I'm going to be those things because it's my life and I strive for happiness. How else can you get to that end goal? How else can you get to that end dream? Because it does take more than the desire. But I think don't get me wrong, you need the desire. Once you have the desire and you're fired up about it, now you have to put yourself in a position, in a place, in order to where you can be successful. I cannot tell you how important this step really is. Make a plan for yourself. Give yourself guidelines. You want to track whether or not you're making progress. Have daily meetings or a weekly check-in or a monthly check-in with yourself, with someone else. Make sure that you have a great support system in place. Surrounding yourself with people who are doing what it is you want to do, and the right people. There are two types of people. And there's the person who's doing it and complaining about it all the time, and the person who's doing it and has made the decision to overcome every obstacle. And you want to make sure that you pair yourself up with the right person. If this is something that's important to you, you want to put yourself in a place in which you can be successful. And success is a thing that is possible. People, whatever your goal is, I am confident that you're not the only person to try to achieve this goal. People have advice for you. People have blazed trails. You just have to be bold enough to blaze the trail on your own. We're bringing them back. We're bringing back the resolution. And also, as we're bringing the resolution back, make sure you understand that if you have a hiccup, if there is an obstacle, that doesn't mean that should detour you from your goal. We get detoured from our goals because, oh, didn't work out exactly as planned. It's probably not going to work out exactly as planned, but the goal is for it to work out. So if the plan develops a little bit of an issue, a little bit of an obstacle, something that you have to work through, work over, work around, work through it, work over it, work around it, figure out what it is that you need to do to get to the end goal. Some people are going to tell you to set realistic goals. And I don't know that I'm necessarily here for the realistic goals. I'm here to tell you to dream. I'm here to tell you that people have done impossible things. I'm here to tell you that you are stronger and more capable than you know. If you haven't set your New Year's resolution for this year, there's still time. Just because people are no longer setting resolutions, just because people are making the claim that it doesn't work, doesn't mean you aren't worth following your goals and your dreams. And on that note, I guess we'll see you in the next one. Bye.